What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today, guys, I'm going to be doing a video that is highly requested on this channel, and that is how to add a custom job to your DarkRP server. Before we get into this video, guys, you are going to need a couple things in order to add your custom job to your DarkRP server. So if you don't have already, which you should have already if you have a DarkRP server, it's like one of the main things you need to have, which is DarkRP Modification Master. If you don't have it, just click clone or download, and then click download as zip, and then extract the stuff out of the zip folder into your Garry's mod, and then add-ons, and then put it in here just like that. Another thing you're going to need is Notepad++. So if you don't have Notepad++, again, link will be in the description. Just click this download button right here, go through the installation process. So now once you have those two things, you want to go ahead and open up your DarkRP Modification Master, Lua, Custom Things, and then jobs.lua. Okay, so right here is the job code that I found. I did not make that code. That is just a common, public code that somebody else made. Not sure who, but credit to them. Without any more delays, let's go ahead and get this video started and let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do right here, you want to do team underscore, make sure the team, and then the next word here that your job name is going to be is capital. So mine, I'm just going to do thief. Simple job as thief. And then right here also is the job name, just like that in between there. And then you want to go ahead and pick your color for the job that will display on the scoreboard. And now I believe, okay, so I'm going to use this RGB color codes chart, and I'm going to use red. So mine's 25500, these right here. Now this is very important, guys, right here. When you do this, so my code is 25500. So I'm going to do 255 comma space 0 comma space 0. It's important to have these spaces here because sometimes some people will get it to work without the spaces, some people won't. So just put the spaces in there just not to cause any other problems. Just go ahead and do that. Next, you want to go ahead and use your player model. Now I'm going to show you guys how to get a player model. I'm going to use the common thief player model. I'm going into the spawn list menu, going to games, Garry's mod, and player. I believe, where's it at? It's right here. So it's Phoenix. So I'm going to go ahead and right click them and copy to clipboard. Go back into here, and where model is, just go ahead and paste that right into there just like that. Now if you have other add-ons, you want to use your player model, you do the same thing. It's just instead of going to game, you go to add-ons right here and then find the add-on player model. Next we're going to go to description. I'm just going to say, blah, 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 blah. I don't really know right now. You can put whatever you want, like the actual description on what they do, what their role is for everything. Next is weapons. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back into game. Yes, I have M9K. So whatever gun add-on you use, again, you use yours just the same way. Just find whatever one you want. I'm just going to give them not going to give them any guns. They need to buy their guns. I need to remember that. So I think it's in, okay, so DarkRP utility. They need a lockpick. So go ahead and right click that and go ahead and put it in here just like that. If you want to go ahead and add more weapons to your weapons, you want to, after these quotations, do a comma and then another set of quotations, and in the middle of that is where you'll put your another one. So I'm going to go ahead and also give them a lockpick and keypad cracker right here. So copy to clipboard and paste it in there just like that. So lockpick and keypad cracker. And so same thing goes with the player model. If you want to add more player models to your list, you want to go ahead and do comma and then another set of quotations, and then in the quotation do the other player model code. But we're not going to do that. Just remember though, if you do two of these, remember there always needs to be a comma or there will be a error in there. So next is just the command. So I'm just going to do a thief. Doesn't matter. This is what you do, like /thief. And then right here is the max players. I'm just going to do 20 players allowed for that. Salary, $20. Admin 0. This right here just means you need to be an admin or not to be able to do this job. Vote false, has license false, and can demote false. Don't put a comma after this can demote. You don't need it there. And after that, you're pretty much done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save this. Make sure you save it. Just an FYI, guys, as soon as you save your job in here, if your server is running while it's doing that, the job will show up in the job list, but when you click it, it won't actually join it because it's like not fully loaded in. Restart your server and then your code will be in there. So I'll be right back. All right, now that we're in game, I'm just gonna go to the F4 menu, and there's my thief job right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click become job. And now I should have the keypad cracker and the lockpick. Alright, sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure my player model is working. So I'm going to just go ahead and place a camera. And here we go. Alright. Alright, that's working. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. That is how to add a custom job to your DarkRP server. If you would like me to make a video on how to add specific jobs for like different admin groups, you know, like moderator, admin, owner, whatever, and even or donator jobs. So if you want to know how to, if you want me to show you guys how to do all of that, give this video a like and let me know it down in the comments below. And I'll be soon to make that video for you guys if you guys really want to know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helped you out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.